So how do you delete Kindle books on your iPad? Let's get started. If you are new on this channel, most definitely subscribe to it and you're not gonna miss anything useful in the future. So at first, obviously locate your Kindle app like this. And once you open it up, you'll be able to see all of the things inside of your library. So you might see the all files or just download it. But in order to remove something from in here, you need to just hold down on it like this, and the red option which is going to pop up is called permanently delete. And the way that it works is that you don't just delete it from this device, but from your entire Kindle library, which means that if you have phone where you have Kindle, or even if you have the physical e-reader called Kindle from Amazon, it will also disappear from those places as well. So you need to pay attention to it. For example, if you have some stuff downloaded in here, so if you just save it for offline use, you'll be able to then find it in the downloads section, and in there, if you hold down on it, you can just tap on remove download, which will technically remove it from the saved storage, but it will keep it in your Kindle library. So that's how it generally works. If you have some other very specific things or issues, just leave them below in the comment section. It's possible that me or someone else might have the answer for you. So most definitely do that. Stay tuned for more, and I'll catch you later in the next tutorials.